Stormrune here with a brawl. Barf and Belch, Defender Thunderdrum, and Hofferson's Bane. I'm gonna go after this. I'm gonna go after Hofferson's Bane first, then to the Defender Thunderdrum, and then Barf and Belch. And this one's all over.